Just trying to make my chainsaw mill work a bit better. There's a couple of minor issues with it. Um, when I was using it, I found that the way I built it, there was a bit of a gap, and it made it cant slightly one way or the other. Um, Essentially, I don't know if you can see, but down here you can see how this bar, which is a leading edge, no, sorry, this one's a leading edge. That one is higher than this one. Therefore, you can see what I'm doing. Therefore, as it gone on, it would go onto the wood like that rather than flat. So I've welded a bar in there badly because obviously to try and even it up. But I put a straight edge on it, and it was quite even still quite for some reason a bit low. I think the interior bars were a bit kind of bent or whatever. So I thought I'd run a bead of weld across the top of them. Can't really see what I'm looking at. And then grind it down to suit. Uh, Unfortunately, I ran out of gas. Me being an absolute beginner at welding, didn't quite realise. Uh, and yeah, I made a right pig's ear of it. But I've learnt how to notice if the gas has run out now. So it's all a learning process. But you can see, I think I've worked out where it went, decided to go wrong. If you see, this one's alright. Forgive the weld, it is rubbish, I know, but it's smooth. I think I must have run out of gas about here, because then it got a break there, like that, and it wasn't very good. And if you come over here, you see there's another break, and the weld is just completely all over the shop. I mean, obviously some of that's down to me, but yeah, it's no good. I'm gonna have to grind all this off and try again. And then it went really wrong. All these holes and stuff popping, and I thought it's just because I got I thought the metal weren't clean enough, but the impurities were coming in from the air as opposed to what was on the metal, so that's why it's going all mad. And then you can see these holes here. So at least that way I know for next time. All lives and learns, don't we?